So, in today's episode, in today's training, I'm going to talk about and walk you through as visually as I can how to use ChatGPT or a way that you can use ChatGPT with LinkedIn, specifically with your LinkedIn content. Now, one of the biggest things that really holds people back is creating content on LinkedIn. So before I get into today's episode and today's training, just wanted to let everybody know that in just about a week and a half, Nancy and I are doing a free LinkedIn workshop. It's 5 days. It's from April 21st to April 25th. It is the Scale Your Business on LinkedIn workshop. So we're going to teach you all the core principles of what you need to do in order to scale your business using LinkedIn. Now, all you have to do if you're listening on the podcast, just head to the description of the episode, click the link, get yourself registered. If you're watching here on social, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn, just type the word workshop in the comments and I will send you the link to get registered. Now, I did a poll on LinkedIn the other day asking what people's favorite AI tool was. We love ChatGPT. And for those of you that didn't know this, Nancy and I actually have our own private community called the Expert Content Society, which is for business professionals, service professionals, coaches, and consultants who are struggling with how to create content on LinkedIn. And what we do is we theme out each month. And within each month, you actually get 24 ChatGPT prompts, which are called GPTs. So a GPT basically is a custom prompt that will ask you questions based on what is in there that can help you create and craft content. So we actually, this is the brilliance of Nancy. She actually, every month, we've kind of themed this out. You go into our Expert Content Society hub, you go to our content calendar, and all you have to do is then click on the type of post that you want to create, whether it's a text post, whether it's a poll, a newsletter, a video, and there is a personalized GPT to help you write your content. Now, you actually have to answer the questions in order to create the post. So it's not going to write it for you. You're not going to write a post for me. That's not how it works. So I actually wanted to walk you through exactly what this looked like. So, and this is how, again, this is one way of how people can actually use AI and ChatGPT to help them create content on LinkedIn, which is one of the ways that you can scale your business. We've actually had people in our community recently say they've booked sales calls based on the content that they posted. So this is basically what the hub looks like. And you can see there's, week 1, week 2. So you can see right here, this month's focus is all about establishing your personal brand. So again, this is what it's all about. So you can see there's some basic posts, text post, poll post, quote post, short video post, LinkedIn carousel, newsletter. So I'm going to go to week 2 really quickly, and I'm going to click on where it says text post only. So the topic of this post is how you help your clients. And I think anyone that's listening or watching, it's so impactful and important for you to be able to tell clearly your audience how you can help them. So this is text only. So the purpose of this is to engage and generate conversation with your ideal audience while building the know, like, and trust by showcasing the transformation you provide. So where it says, if you're listening to this inside of our community, it says, now let's create this post for your content. Click the link below to access the AI tool to create your own version of this post. So it says AI tool, and you click the word here, and it's going to take you to a personalized GPT called This Is How I Help My Clients, My wife created this. Now, there's a lot of people that use AI in different ways, and this is just one of those ways. And basically what I would do is I would click get started, and it's going to say, awesome, let's kick things off. What's the biggest struggle that your ideal clients face? Example, feeling overwhelmed with their marketing strategy, struggling to scale their business. What's the core challenge they come to you with? So think about, as you're listening to this or watching this, what is the core challenge that your clients come to you for? So I would write something along the lines of, they come to me for help with LinkedIn in how to set up and optimize their profiles, build the right kind of network, create engaging content, and generate leads and sales. So I'm going to just answer the question with what I do. I hit return. It's going to process information. It's going to say, perfect, that's super clear and helpful. Let's turn that into a relatable struggle. What would you say the biggest struggle is? What would you say the biggest struggle is something like not knowing how to use LinkedIn to actually grow their business? Or would you phrase it differently? How would your ideal client describe what they're stuck on in their own words? So again, I can say not knowing what SEO keywords to put in their profiles, how to use the LinkedIn search engine to find ideal connections, what message to say or to write to a prospective client, and how often they should post per week on LinkedIn and what type of content. So you can answer when you're building out these kind of prompts, you can answer as clearly or as vaguely as one, but the more quality information you give, the better of a prompt response you're going to get where you can create content on LinkedIn. And this is the power of AI. So after I hit enter, it says, got it, super specific and relatable. Here's a possible hook based on that. Ever feel like LinkedIn should be bringing in leads, but instead you're stuck wondering what to post, who to connect with, or how to get found in search? Does this capture the struggle well, or would you tweak it in any way to match your client's talk or feel? So again, it came up with, ever feel like LinkedIn should be bringing in leads, but instead you're stuck wondering what to post, who to connect with, or how to get found in search? I could say, that is great, but add in how to best SEO optimize my LinkedIn profile. So that's how you make this your own. So now it's going to reprocess, and it's going to say, here's a revised version. Ever feel like LinkedIn should be bringing leads, but instead you're stuck wondering how to SEO optimize your profile, what to post, who to connect with, or how to get found in search? So again, how does that feel? I would say, please replace how to get found in search with how to properly message a new prospective client who is a new connection. So this is, again, there's a lot of thought into this. When you're creating content on LinkedIn, specifically when you're using an AI tool like ChatGPT with our prompt, you have to give quality information. Quality information in is quality information out. So ever feel like LinkedIn should be bringing in leads, but instead you're stuck wondering how to SEO optimize your profile, what to post, who to connect with, or how to properly message a new prospective client? Yeah. Does that hit the mark? Ready to move on to the next part? I'm going to type yes. I'm ready. Awesome. Next up, who do you help? And what specific problem do you solve for them? For example, I help service-based entrepreneurs build automated marketing systems that generate leads while they sleep. Tell me, who are your ideal clients? Coaches, consultants, small business owners. So I'm going to write coaches, consultants, and service professionals. Okay, those are my ideal clients. Great. And what specific outcome do you help them achieve on LinkedIn? For example, do you help them build a client attraction profile, generate consistent leads and sales, grow their authority and visibility? All of the above. So again, they're starting to get to know me based on what I said. So I'm going to say all the above. Perfect. Here is a draft of the middle section we can refine together. I help coaches, consultants, and service professionals turn their LinkedIn profiles into lead generating machines, from optimizing their profiles with the right SEO keywords to building the right network, creating content that builds authority, and messaging prospects with confidence. They walk away with a system that consistently brings in visibility, leads, and sales. Would you like to tweak the tone or wording at all, or want to add something that's uniquely you and how you work with clients? So again, for example purposes, I'm going to say this is great. I'm going to write no, this is great. And again, you can edit, change anything you want. So I'm going to write no, this is great, amazing. Now let's bring it into real life with a real client example. Can you share a short story about a client you helped? Think about what challenge were they facing before? What specific work did you do together? What transformation or result did they experience? Feel free to keep it anonymized if needed. I'm going to say, just as an example, I had a client that loved LinkedIn, but didn't know how to properly use it. After hiring me to coach them, I got to work on optimizing their LinkedIn profile so they would be more visible. Showed them exactly how to search and connect with their ideal client based on their industry and job title. Then showed them the proper way to message a new connection that would lead to an increase in sales calls, and also creating content that positioned them as the expert in the space they are in within a couple of weeks. They were able to close 3 new clients that were valued at multiple 5-figure agreements. So again, you can get as specific, as granular as you want. So basically, here's how this could look. One of my clients loved LinkedIn, but had no idea to actually how to use it to grow their business. After we worked together to optimize their profile for visibility, build a targeted network, craft outreach messages that led to real conversations, and create authority-building content, they closed 3 new clients within weeks, landing multiple 5-figure deals. How does that feel? That feels great. So I'm just going to, and again, this is how you create really good content, right? So I'm going to go with, it gave me 2 options. So I'm going to choose the first option. Actually, I'm going to option 2. So here is what the end of the post looks like. Okay. So I'm going to go down, and here's what it looks like. Okay. Ever feel like LinkedIn should be bringing in leads, but instead you're stuck wondering how to SEO optimize your profile, what to post, who to connect with, or how to properly message a new prospective client? I help coaches, consultants, and service professionals turn their LinkedIn profiles into lead generating machines. From optimizing their profiles with the right SEO keywords to build the right network, creating content that builds authority, and messaging prospects with confidence, they walk away with a system that consistently brings in visibility, leads, and sales. One of my clients loved LinkedIn, but had no idea how to actually use it to grow their business. After we worked together to optimize their profile for visibility, build a targeted network, craft outreach messages that led to real conversations, and create authority building content, they closed 3 new clients within weeks, landing multiple 5-figure deals. What's one challenge you faced when trying to turn LinkedIn into a client generating tool? Let's chat in the comments. So again, that's an example of how you can actually take your own words. You can take your own words and bring them to life using AI tools. And I think the misconception is people think that it's almost like this easy button. AI, such as ChatGPT and these custom GPTs that Nancy has created, they are prompts. So a prompt is a question. And when you're prompted with a question, you give an answer. So think about that. If you're using something that is just asking you, it's almost like it's interviewing you for the right information. All it's doing is taking your words, comprising it, and composing it into a post form that you can then clearly state what it is that you do and use it for LinkedIn. This is how you can use AI for the good. There's a lot of people that are afraid of it. They think it doesn't work. It's not going to sound like them. Remember, when you're using the right AI tool, it's going to ask you, do you want to change the tone? Do you want to change any words? Do you want to add certain things? Do you want to remove? You're not copying and pasting. And as I kind of walked you guys through this, and if you're listening on the podcast, I was kind of talking you through it. If you're watching on social, obviously you saw it in real time. It's powerful. And again, having a community like the Expert Content Society where you're given 24 of these prompts every month to use, you're never going to be able to run out of content ideas because all you're doing, and you saw it took me about 8 or 9 minutes, but it's high quality content. So if I'm posting 3 times a week, not every one of those prompts is going to be that long. It goes a long way. It's high quality content that people are going to engage with. And it clearly states in that post that I read. So people are going to have a hard time not knowing what I do at this point because that post would state it all. So again, use AI, specifically ChatGPT, for the greater good. That's exactly why we created the Expert Content Society, because we wanted to help people win on LinkedIn. We wanted to have a community for the good ones, the people that are playing by the rules. They're creating solid content. They're connecting and messaging authentically. They're not joining engagement pods or using spam bots or any of the pitch slapping that you see. It's real authenticity, and that is what always wins in the end. So again, before I sign off today, if you are interested in joining myself and Nancy for our free 5-day LinkedIn workshop, from April 21st to the 25th. It's called the Scale Your Business on LinkedIn Workshop. All you have to do is, if you're watching on social, type workshop in the comments and I'll send you the link. If you're listening on the podcast, just go to the description of the episode, click the link, get yourself registered. Remember, AI is not evil. AI can help you if it's prompted the right way, just like I showed you today. So everyone, please enjoy the rest of your days. Love and gratitude, and I'll talk to you next time.